NPCore is a cybersecurity company founded in 2008. We made a cybersecurity company, ZombieZERO, to protect unknown malware and then ransomware, which antivirus cannot respond. So we are using four-step detection process and then virtual machine to detect abnormal behavior from the customer's network and then PC. Our system is designed very lightly, and ZombieZERO is much faster, and the cost efficiency and security level is high than other products. The customer used network and then PC can be our potential client, and we all fit a B2B and B2C market. Now we are expanding our business globally, especially for the US procurement market, because US procurement market is 40 times bigger than Korean procurement market, and which is almost 100 billion US dollar. And 10% of the US procurement market have to allocate it to the minority companies. So that we are targeting now. So far, NPCore has more than 80 reference in global market and domestic market. We are providing service to Korean Tax Office and the Vietnam Ministry of Transport, and the Vietnam and Indonesia Telecommunication Company, and Loyal Malaysia Company, Loyal Malaysia Police, and Japanese City Hall. We have more than 1 million export last year. And we have our business model divided into three categories. The first one is on-premise. This is the centralized system, and then we are selling our hardware from network side, and then software from the endpoint side, like a PC, to the customer. And the second one is a cloud, so customer can buy our product based on the monthly subscription. The last one is we are selling our analyzed malware pattern and data to IT conglomerate such as Google and then other cybersecurity company and government. That's it. Thank you for your listening.